Welcome to ApolloX, everyone's preferred crypto exchange. In this video, we will walk you through how to start trading crypto futures on ApolloX in a few steps. Before you start, please ensure that you have registered an account on ApolloX. Click Register Now to open an account. Please log in if you have an existing account. There are 5 steps in total to complete a trade. Step 1. Transfer margin. Transfer funds to the futures account. These funds will be used as margin for your futures trades. Click on the Transfer button in the upper right corner to transfer funds. Step 2. Leverage and margin. After choosing the contract you would like to trade, you can switch the margin mode and adjust the leverage of the position. You can switch the margin mode by clicking on Cross or Isolated in the upper right corner of the page. Please note that the adjustment of the margin mode is only applicable to the selected contract. By clicking the leverage level next to the margin mode, you can adjust the leverage of your position according to your trading strategy. Step 3. Position mode. Set the preferred position mode under Preference. We support one-way mode and hedge mode. Step 4. Order type. Choose an order type that best suits your strategy and corresponding price to open a position. We offer different order types, including limit, market, and stop limit orders. Step 5. Close position. Monitor your positions and close positions based on your exit strategy. All your positions are listed in the Positions section. You may click the Close All Positions button if you wish to close all the positions. Please proceed to complete the quiz if you haven't done so. Then, you're all set to start trading futures on ApolloX now. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy your trading experience on ApolloX.